Bird and Kip, Episode 27, Silly Kip. Kip still wanted to be good at something. He got some of his acorns.
Watch this, Bird,
said Kip. He started to juggle the acorns. Plonk, plink, pling. One by one, they fell down. Bird laughed.
You are so silly, Kip.
I'm silly,
said Kip.
but I'm not good at anything.
Kip got his jump rope.
Watch this, Bird,
He said. Kip started to jump rope. But the rope got stuck on a branch,
Help!
said Kip. He swung around and around and around. Bird laughed again.
You are so silly, Kip.
I'm silly,
Said Kip.
but I'm not good at anything.
Bird was quiet for a moment.
I just thought of something.
She said.
Something you are very good at.
What am I good at?
Asked Kip.
Making me laugh.
Said Bird.